Alright, so you're going first.
Yep.
I didn't really decide it very well.
I decided 2 cards.
But if you close your eyes.
Doo-doo,
There you go.
doo-doo. Alright, I'll go first.
Very nice.
This hand is not much better at all. Like, come on, what is this? Alright, whatever. Here goes nothing. Go.
Alright. Draw. Rabbit. Attack.
Yeah.
1400. And now I shall enter them. I shall set 3 and go. Let me see.
Is that the middle one?
The middle one?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Bastard. Go.
Alright. Draw. Rabbit again. Battle phase. Entering battle phase, ending main phase 1, whatever.
Oh my gosh. Yeah.
Right. Attack 28.
This may be really stupid of me, but here goes. My force.
Attack.
Both of them? Or just one?
Fight with this one. Well, I mean, they're both gonna happen, so fight the fight. Oh wow.
I told you it was gonna be. I had to.
Oh no, never mind, you're right. You're bad.
Not about to let that happen again.
Alright, go ahead.
Alright. Okay, this isn't that. Yeah, alright. Go.
I haven't cleared that one. Let me see that one. What is that?
Royal Decree.
What does that do? Royal Decree?
Monsters. I mean, yeah, Royal Prison, my bad. Monsters can't be special summoned from the graveyard.
Oh. Good for me, rat.
You bastard. Yeah.
Maxi,
Wait, yeah, Maxi.
fight. If you close your eyes. And attack the rabbit, 1400.
Alright.
My game phase 2. Set and go.
What the heck is this? You stacked me. I'm calling it.
Hell yeah.
You stacked me hard. Go.
Effect.
Sure.
Banish rat. Draw.
What was the point of that? Why would you do that?
So I can use. You can only use your effect once per turn.
Wait.
And you can only use it once while it's face up on the field. That's why rabbit banishes itself, so you can use it over and over again.
I feel you, I feel you.
Fight the rat.
Yeah, sure.
That means I can't use his effect anymore. Bam. V? I don't know, V? What is it? I don't know what if I want to banish rat or rabbit. Crap. Maybe the smart thing to do. I think probably banish rat. I mean, this automatically goes to the grave.
Do something.
Yeah, I'll banish rat. Bam. And set, go. But if you close your doors.
Chateau.
Yep.
Ticket.
Yep.
Imagine me.
Exchange.
Go.
Draw. This comes back. Right. Fight.
Didn't you already use it?
I was banished. It came back just now. That's why these are destroyed. Effect.
Oh yeah, I remember now. Okay, yeah, go.
Oh, he's in defense mode. I'll have special summon that one attack. And then cheat. Over there.
See.
Crap. Summon.
See.
Enter battle phase.
See.
Attack.
Yeah, sure.
What's it at? 19?
Yeah.
That's 400. 1, 2, 3, 4. And oh yeah, detach. Like I was gonna keep it on there. Rabbit, yes. Rabbit. Destroy end phase. Destroy ticket. And go ahead.
Some blood.
This is scary.
Man, this is not fun. Alright, overlay. You bastard. You got something for me, don't you? You can tell me right now before I play if you got something, huh? Yep. I can feel it.
That Court of Heaven.
No, you're not allowed to you're not allowed to play that. Does it destroy it?
Negate the special summon and destroy it. Yeah. Well, that helped. Monster Reborn. Or not, I mean, call it
Go.
monster. Right. Well, this stays on the field. That face down. Like that. But if you close your eyes. The phone.
Not the phone.
Call from 18323.
Call from me. Alright, but if you close your eyes. Crap, I don't know what to do. Alright. Let me think this out, dude. Alright. Rat. Fight.
Yeah.
Rabbit. Overlay. For dang it.
You bastard.
I'm equipped engineer.
Sure. I can't remember what that does.
Once per turn during either player's turn, you can detach one material, whatever, then target one face-up attack position monster I control, change it to defense position, it cannot be destroyed by battle or card effects. But this pretty much protects itself. So, entering battle phase.
Sure.
18 and 15. Oh.
Oh, I had these crap draws. I've never drawn this bad before.
And go.
This is just straight up booty hop. Missy.
Yes.
Yeah. Dark one.
Chain effect. And this just detaches.
Yeah, dude, I lost. That's game.
Yeah, I was like, dude, that must be
This is freaking ignorance. What the hell?